What's up everyone, welcome back to John's Daily Hustle. So today we're going to install the Sulky on the walk behind mower, and then we're going to do my first drive on the Sulky. So to mount the Sulky, it came with this nice little mount. When I bought the Bobcat, the previous owner had a Sulky on it, but my Sulky doesn't work for it because for whatever reason the pin actually doesn't fit inside this little bitty hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my grinder and I'm going to grind that baby off, and then we're going to line those up, mark it, drill it, and we're going to mount it. You can see I got it off finally. It just broke right off once I got the welds cut. So now I'm gonna grind that down a little bit. We're gonna hold this up and mark it. Mark it exactly where I want it in the hole I want it. And we're gonna drill it through and mount it. And then I will see you guys after it's been mounted. And I need to make sure I've got all that adjusted and tightened right. And we'll put it on and give it a try. Right off the bat there, you guys could probably tell one of the problems that I actually had using the Sulky, but we'll get into that in a later video on what I find wrong with the Sulky or something like that. But anyways, it definitely beats walking, which the next video you guys will probably see will be a update story on what it was like to use a walk behind mower without a Sulky. And you guys will probably get to see a number of how long I walked that you probably won't believe. But anyways, it's a great investment. If you have a walk behind mower, I highly recommend you get a Sulky for it for sure. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.